and I was sleeping when I got the call from my son. Well, it was a call that I didn't want to get, but my daughter had gotten into that accident and gotten killed on FM 950 going to Garwood. It was an 18-wheeler accident. He crossed the lane and hit her car, her and her boyfriend's car. He was driving. I went to the scene and I couldn't get, they wouldn't let me get to the accident. They stopped me from doing that, but that it was like 5 inches of rain, and I was wondering what this guy was doing on the road with so much rain, and it's kind of hard for me to talk about it, but I have lost half of my heart. Half of my heart's been ripped out of my chest. You're never going to get closure. You don't get past an accident like this. You just move forward. You're never going to get past losing your daughter. I'm not. Macy was a beautician. She had gone to school to be a beautician. She had left softball, which she was a real good ball player, but she had a dream of being a hairdresser. So that's what she did. She wanted to be a beautician to the stars. She like the glue to the family. She would never miss my birthday, anything special, Father's Day, birthdays, things like that. She was always on top of stuff like that. Ammons Firm is just A+, #1. Not only did we get justice for my daughter, but there was also things that were implemented so this won't happen again to another person. Rob Ammons is a great attorney. He reached out to me on weekends. It didn't matter. It didn't have to be a weekday. Whenever he needed to talk to me, he would reach out to me. If it was Sunday, Saturday, it didn't matter what day. If he had to tell me something about the case, he was going to reach out to me any day of the week, So I have nothing but good things to say about Mr. Ammons. I wouldn't want anybody to go through what I've gone through, but if somebody else did have to go through what I've gone through, I would strongly recommend Mr. Ammons' Law Firm.